Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Todoist with Eisenhower priority workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Todoist and log into your account. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Identify the tasks you currently have listed. Review your tasks and consider their urgency and importance. For each task, determine if it is urgent or not. Decide whether each task is important or not. Create 4 categories based on your assessment: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Open a new project in Todoist. Label the project Eisenhower Matrix. Within the new project, create 4 sections corresponding to the categories you just identified. Add tasks to the appropriate sections based on their urgency and importance. For tasks classified as urgent and important, set them with the highest priority. For tasks identified as important but not urgent, schedule them for a later date. For urgent but not important tasks, consider delegating them if possible. For tasks that are neither urgent nor important, list them for future reference or remove them. Utilize Todoist's color coding to visually differentiate between the categories. Regularly review and update your tasks within the Eisenhower matrix. Establish a routine check-in time, such as weekly, to reassess priorities. Make adjustments as necessary based on changing deadlines or new tasks. Use the comment feature in Todoist to add notes or reminders for specific tasks. Ensure you are consistently updating your tasks in real time as you complete them. Leverage Todoist's recurring tasks feature for ongoing responsibilities. Stay disciplined in following the Eisenhower priority workflow for maximum productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable 2-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.